good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. I talked about BTC sale in my previous video. I was saying if we break and close below this point, we're going to be shorting BTC, but we had a reaction from here. And if you are my free also told them that I'm going to drop a video concerning sell. So we broke above here, had a hammer candlestick, but we later had a bearish movement that made this market change structure here. So what we are expecting in the market presently, and we didn't take the sell, actually we didn't take the sell. So what I'm expecting on this market, I'm expecting a retracement back to this point, or better still, we can the market can break above this point to retrace here to continue the buy. But for now, we are not also taking any trade till either when the market retrace back to this point to buy, or if the market also break above this zone. So for now, we are bullish on BTC USD. We had a change of structure, and the way I'm seeing the market, we are going to be bullish for a very long while. That is if what I'm expecting, because I'm also expecting a change of structure here on the 1 week. That is if this buy break above this point, we'll be having a buy to like even 80,000. We'll be buying BTC to 80,000. So for now, we are not taking any trade. We are still waiting for our position. I didn't take this sell because after this break here, we're having a lot of rejection in this point here. So I was like, if we break below this point and retrace here, so we're going to take the trade. But we didn't break below here. We rejected this zone here. We rejected 58,000. So I'm expecting a retracement back to 60,000 to buy, or a break and retest above 64,000 to also buy the trade. If you look on the 4 hours, you will see that the market is uptrend. We are trending up, but this trend, like I just call it the weak trend, because we have a lot of higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So what I'm expecting here, I'm not going to take any sell or any buy at this particular point till either we break this low and retrace back to this point, or we break above here to then retrace this point, and then we'll continue the buy from there. But presently, I'm seeing a very good buy setup on BTC USD, and I'm pretty much sure that the buy will be a good buy. So if we break above this point, I'll be looking to long from here, to long BTC from here, my SL somewhere here, and then we'll be looking at 70 something thousand, 80 something thousand, but my first TP will be 70 something thousand before we have a little retracement back to this point, to this zone, and then to continue the buy to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting for BTC, and I think it's a pretty nice setup. This is what I'm expecting on BTC USD, expecting a buy to 80,000, expecting a long buy to 80,000. So for US oil, I'm expecting a retracement, but we can also have a movement here, because we can also have a movement here from here, but we are not going to take the trade from here. We're not going to take the trade now from this particular point, because if we go back to the 4 hours, we are not yet fully bearish. We are not yet fully bearish till this market close. So if this market close below, then we'll be looking for how to sell this market from here, sell right upon this higher low, right on the low. I think we are going to enter from somewhere here. Sorry, somewhere here. Then we'll be selling down. We'll be selling down to this point. We'll be selling down to $59 per barrel. So this adjusts the movement I'm expecting for US oil and BTC. Just a quick analysis on US oil and BTC. I'm still very much interested in this US oil because we still have good movement on the market. And if we look on the daily, though the daily candlestick have not yet closed and the market is still very tender, but we are having a indecision candlestick that is trying to form on the daily. So if we don't have this retracement, if we don't have this full retracement up to this point, then we are going to be selling below this point. We are going to be selling below here like this, and trust me, we are going to be selling this market down to $59 per barrel. So this is it for my outlook on US oil. As you can see on the weekly, we are still trending very bearish on the weekly time frame. We are still very much bearish and expecting more bearish movement soon, and then expecting a buy movement on BTC USD. And if we also go down to the 1 month on the weekly, you're going to see that this particular place that the market is reacting from here, the market is reacting from here. If you look here, we have like a lot of reaction here. 1 2 3 4. We have like 4 reactions here. 1 2 3 4. So the market is like on the monthly zone, and this is a strong zone. So we are expecting a bullish movement from the market, since we didn't have the bearish movement we were expecting. So when we have this retracement that I'm talking about, then we'll have the movement to the upside. So this is it for BTC USD. We haven't taken any trade yet for the month, and no sell trade was taken before. So we are still expecting a break and a retest, or a pullback here and a change of structure on the 4 hours to buy. So till then, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button, and also don't forget to like and share this video. Click the Telegram link on my bio so that you will not miss out of my entries. Thank you.